Do you know what's funny? I'm actually very picky with my women.
Your women?
Yeah.
How many women do you have?
Zero, but in general.
Okay. So
yeah.
tell me some deal breakers. Why are you so picky?
Well, I need her to respect me, put me first, look after me, help with the bills, motivate me, give me massages, ask me how I'm feeling, compliment me, make me feel handsome. That's very important, by the way.
You don't need a girlfriend.
Well, what do I need? What do you mean?
You need a boyfriend. Me and you are looking for the same thing.
What?
Yes, we both want a man. You described a man.
No, I'm a man, okay?
Okay, yeah, for sure. You described a man, and I don't want to be a man for someone else. I would rather someone finally allow me to get into my feminine energy.
Yeah, you can, with me.
What, by paying for your bills, giving you foot massages, and calling you pretty?
Not pretty, I said handsome. Don't put words in my mouth. I don't like that. Don't give me the ick, okay?
Did your mum give birth to you upside down? You're not even tall. How can you be picky?
But see, I'm 6 foot. I'm 6
Shut your mouth. Go stand next to the door then. Go on.
No.
Goodbye, man. Go pick yourself another man, idiots. Don't disturb my peace.
What?